Hunt?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Hunt, this is your initial appearance and cause number 25 DCCR 1766. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of assault on a family member with previous conviction. That's from September 28th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I called a lawyer named Paul Parker. He said he was gonna be here today.
So Mr. Parker probably will be here. He's appointed to represent you while you were in custody.
Yeah.
But once you bond out, I expect you to try to hire someone. It can be Mr. Parker, it can be.
Yeah,
whoever
called
else.
him and he said he'd be here.
So are you going to hire him?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the one I was gonna hire.
So what I'm going to do then, Mr. Hunt, is I'm just going to reset your case, a normal reset, which is about 30 days.
Yes.
Give you some time to get Mr. Parker hired.
Okay,
If you do get him hired, bring the reset that you get today to him and he'll tell you what to do.
okay, because I had talked to him and he said he couldn't take any money until after today.
Okay, so just listen to what I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you get him hired after today, just bring the reset notice to him and he'll tell you what to do. If for some reason you're unable to hire him or that doesn't work out, then you need to talk to at least 3 other attorneys. Bring me those names and we'll discuss your option.
Okay,
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Also, you do understand as a condition of your bond that you're to have no contact or communication at all with David LeBlanc. You understand?
Okay, he is my roommate, but he's in jail right now.
Okay, so you cannot have any contact or communication with him.
So when he gets out, let my mom's the landlord, just let him go, kick him out.
Either he leaves or you leave.
Okay.
I don't care how that takes place or where you're living. I'm not going to get involved in
I'll
that.
talk to my mom as soon as he
You
gets
just
out.
cannot have any communication or contact with him.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, step in front of the clerk. Good morning. Are you Gilbert Robinson Jr.? And Mr. Robinson, this is your initial appearance in cause number 26 DCCR 0454. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of assault on a family member by impeding breath or circulation from December 11th of 2025. Since you made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I have made attempts, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'll do is reset your case about 30 days to give you some more time to see if you can get someone hired.
They're just expensive.
I know, that's what, save up some money and do your best to try to get someone hired before that next court date. If you do get someone hired before the next court date, then bring that reset notice that you get today to the lawyer and they'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
If you're unable to hire someone, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers.
That's not a problem.
They all charge different amounts, different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the ones you've talked to, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising a bond and you'll go back to jail.
I don't want to go to jail.
Also, you know that part of your bond is to have no contact whatsoever with Deandra Flores, correct?
What about my daughter? I don't understand.
Well, so is that your child's mother?
Yes.
So you need to have a third party. You either need to get started with something in family court or through the attorney general to get custody set up. Or you need to have a family member or third party help you with the communication, pick up, drop off. There's no order that you not have contact with your child as far as I can tell, but you have to get someone else to help facilitate that.
I could get my mom to contact her
Sure.
to,
Just about visitation of the child, not about any other, don't send any other messages or anything like that. But yes, with regard to your child, to find out what's going on with her or get visitation, yes, you can use your mom. Okay, step in front of the clerk. Good morning. You're Charles Beard.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Beard, did you get a lawyer hired?
Yes, ma'am. I had right came there for Judge Wood's court,
Mhm.
but I had the 3 quotes here. I'm trying to get right for this court here.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
when do you think you'll be able to get him hired?
I've talked, he's only in there on Friday, so I talked to him again Friday, and right now he's in Orange County in a trial, so he won't be here today for this court or for Mr. Woods.
Gotcha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm gonna do one more reset. That'll give you about 30 days to get him hired, all right? And just bring the reset notice that you get today to Mr. Kimler and he'll let you know what to do.
Thank you.
If that's not gonna work for some reason, make sure you try to hire someone else or talk to some others and bring me those names as well, okay? You're Terriana Frazier?
Yes,
And Ms. Frazier, this is your initial appearance in clause number 26 DCCR 0435. You're charged with the third-degree felony offense of forgery of a governmental instrument, and that's from January 29th of 2026. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
My mom was doing it.
She's gonna try to hire one for you? Okay, so what I'm going to do is reset your case for about 30 days.
Yes.
That'll give y'all some time to try to get someone hired. If you get someone hired between now and that next court date, you need to bring the lawyer the reset that you get today, and then they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? And I want you to be a part of this. Understand that mom's going to help you, but I want you to be a part of talking to the attorneys so that you understand what's going on with your case, not just mom, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, step in front of the clerk. Are you Nathan Hester? And Mr. Hester, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 1666. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle, and that's from June 25th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? So what I'm going to do, Mr. Hester, is reset your case for about 30 days or so to give you some time to try to get someone hired. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer, and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts, they have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've actually talked to, so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right, if you'll step in front of the clerk, she'll give you your reset notice. You're Daryl Albritton,
Yes, ma'am.
and Mr. Albritton, were you able to get someone hired?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
You did? Who did you hire?
Down, boy.
What's the name?
Back down, boy. He just sent me the link yesterday to send payments to him. Just, he hard to catch up with.
Where's he out? Where's he from?
He from Houston.
Okay,
Yes.
so did you get him paid?
Well, I got the money for him, so he hard to catch up with. So he had hit me up yesterday with some of the links, so I'm gonna send it to him.
Okay, I'm resetting your case 1 week. You need to make sure you get whatever taken care of
Yes, ma'am.
before next Monday, and let him know that you've got a court date Monday. He needs to contact us if you hire him, and he can get that date moved. But if he doesn't, you have to be here. All right? Okay. 2 weeks. Step in front of the